Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting safe access to the clock movement. Remove the clock from the wall and place it face down on a soft cloth. This protects the glass and bezel. Once done, open the rear cover or release the center cap, usually a 1/4 turn, so you can reach the hand hardware. Make sure to photograph the dial with hands at 12:00 as a reference. Later reassembly depends on accurate alignment. Now remove and inspect the hands carefully. You pry the minute hand off first, using a small flat tool and lifting evenly so you don't warp the hand, then remove the hour hand, and finally the seconds pin if present. Check each hand hole diameter and look for bends or worn friction fit. These cause slipping. If a shaft is bent, straighten it gently with needle nose pliers. If the hole is enlarged, plan to fit a new movement, or you finish by reassembling and testing the system. You place the hour hand first at the photographed reference, then the minute hand, pressing them 0.5 to 1 mm above the dial so they don't rub. Once done, advance the time slowly using the movement shaft to confirm clearance and smooth rotation. If the hands slip, tighten the center nut or replace the movement. If the clock stops, check battery or power and inspect gear alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent slipping usually means the movement needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.